Ho'oponopono is an ancient Hawaiian practice for healing, reconciliation, and forgiveness. Literally, it means to make right, right. In other words, this is a problem-solving practice that helps us correct all sorts of misunderstandings and relationship issues. The traditional Ho'oponopono practice calls for a house visit from a kahuna, a shaman, doctor, who would help the family uncover their internal problems, practice forgiveness, and release each other from recriminations, grudges, and guilt, as it's believed that conflicts eventually lead to a disease. This process begins with a prayer. Then the problem is clearly stated and transgressions discussed. Family members are expected to work through their differences and cooperate. Often periods of silence are prescribed for a calm and quiet reflection on the situation. Everyone's feelings are acknowledged, and then confession, repentance, and forgiveness take place. Finally, everyone releases each other of guilt, and the ceremonial feast is served. The practice is completed by presenting a beautiful garland, lei, to each person forgiven. In this context, Ho'oponopono is used as an atonement ritual combined with family counseling. Nowadays, Ho'oponopono can be used alone to deal with negative emotions when something upsets or hurts you. It can be practiced for any kind of forgiveness, from little day-to-day grievances to major, life-wrecking issues. So let's explore this powerful practice together. Take a very comfortable position, sitting or lying down. See if you can gently lengthen your spine. If you are sitting, perhaps you can imagine growing a bit taller through the crown of your head and at the same time anchor through your sits bones. If you are lying down, wiggle your hips a little, your upper back, your head. Maybe even walk your shoulders a bit back, settling into this perfect position that feels very relaxing. Relax your face. Soft forehead. Kind in the eyes. Mouth may be slightly open, jaw relaxed, tongue heavy, resting on the floor of your mouth. Turn your head from side to side or circle it gently a few times, relaxing the neck. Drop your shoulders, or if you are lying down, sink your shoulder blades deeper into the ground. Soften through your hands. Relax your lower back. Soft belly, hips, legs, feet, relaxed. Throughout this meditation practice, try not to create any unnecessary tension in your body. And whenever you notice that you are tensing up a bit, soften and release. On the other hand, don't judge yourself for this tension. It's just our habitual armoring. It's fine. Notice your breath. Where do you feel it the most right now? Is it your chest, your ribs, your belly? If you find that your breath is quite high up in your chest, see if you can bring it down a little bit into your lower belly. Maybe even put a hand on your belly and notice how your breath can move it in and out. Allow your belly to expand into your hand as you inhale and fall back as you exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. In and out. In and out. Now bring to mind a person or situation that provokes feelings of deep upset in you. Maybe you're feeling angry with your spouse or frustrated with your boss. Perhaps it's a deep sadness caused by a misunderstanding or a pang of betrayal. Don't dwell on the storyline. Instead, notice, where in your body does this feeling reside? Keep a gentle and kind attention on this area and start repeating the following verse. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can do it out loud or whisper the words quietly, or maybe just silently repeat the phrase over and over again. Part of your attention will stay with your breath, calm, rhythmic, belly breathing, in and out, in and out. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. It may be helpful to bring your hands over your heart or keep one hand on your belly and the other on your heart. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See if you can let go of your need to analyze the words. Simply allow them to flow out of your heart and directly into the space around you. Trust that the full meaning of this practice will reveal itself to you in good time. For now, simply repeat the words over and over again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. If any images or thoughts arise, welcome them without analyzing. Let them accompany your mantra and keep repeating the verse over and over and over again until you feel your heart soften a bit. Your breathing is nice and slow. Remember to allow your belly to expand softly into your hand as you inhale, and to relax fully as you exhale. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. You can continue with this practice for as long as you like. At some point, your mood will lighten, and maybe you will even get a sense of deep resolution and an understanding that somehow peace has been restored. Allow yourself to bask in this easy, tranquil harmony for a little bit. Your breathing relaxed and measured. Keep repeating your mantra. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The ultimate objective of the practice is to get to a point where you can think about the incident and or the other person with a soft, true calmness. Literally, no hard feelings. Of course, this may take more than one session. So whenever you notice that the upset returns, you can simply try the whole pono process again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a couple of slow, deliberate breaths. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take your time though. There is no rush.